Hi guys, Casey here. I'll be showing you a very interesting product today. Ito ay isa sa mga bagong products namin. Kung familiar kayo with PKK antenna, we have been selling it for decades already. Pwede mong sabihin that this is a new and improved version of it. In this video, I'll be going through the steps kung paano itong it's set up para sa mga customers namin. If you're just seeing this video right now and interested kayo, you can check out our Lazada and Shopee store that I'll be providing the link down below. So with this antenna, hindi nyo na kailangan ng black box. Malinaw ang masasagap na signal with over 30 plus channels including well-known ones. Compared sa mga iba, our materials used have better and sturdier quality para higher chances na mabubuhay ito sa mga bagyo. So yes, this is an outdoor antenna, so ilalagay dapat ito sa labas and sa bubong preferably para smooth ang experience nyo. Actually, may instructions na siyang included in the package, pero for your convenience, I'll be showing it here, so make sure to watch until the end. Bale, onting setup na lang ang kailangan yung gawin on the product. It's almost complete. Aside from the antenna itself, mayroon tayong digital receiver. Yun ang kailangan nating ikabit. As for the hook, this one is also included in the package para mas mabilis nyo siyang ikabit sa bubong and mapapatayo nyo kaagad siya. So included in the package is a RG6 coaxial cable wire that will be used to connect from the antenna to the TV. So for our customers, depende ito kung gaano kahaba ang na-order nila. We have the shortest from 5 meters to the longest of 20 meters. So we'll be screwing this sa likod ng digital receiver. Para sa kabilang dulo ng wire, ipa-plug natin ito sa connector ng smart TV natin. Makikita nyo ito sa likod ng TV nila. The connectors are properly placed already, so plug and play na lang siya. So next steps on your smart TV is you need to set your source to TV and antenna. Kasi pagpipilian mo yan kung manggagaling ba siya sa cable or antenna. So choose antenna. It will automatically enter into scan mode. So dito makakuha ng signals para sa mga TV channels natin. In this part of the video, makita nyo that it will be able to get 30 plus channels. So it depends rin on your location kung gaano kadaming ang makukuha. As you can see guys, no, so dito yung final output natin. So very clear, no, HD quality. 1080p talaga siya. So our TV here is smart TV. So again, this product can work on smart TV. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng black box, no. Okay, so nakamute siya, so malinaw pati yung sound niya. Okay. So malinaw, there's no latency sa even sa sound.
Also, our patients with gallbladder, they don't feel anything bad.
Okay, let's just mute again. So nandito yung antenna, no. So reminder lang guys that you have to put it on nasa bubong. If nasa bahay kayo, you have to put it high up there para makakuha siya ng signal, no. So kailangan nakakabit siya na maayos and nakalagay siya sa labas and sa bubong preferably. It depends on your location, but it should get at least on our end, no, nakakuha siya ng around 20 plus channels. Pwede nating tingnan sa channel list, no, pero it depends on your location, I guess, kung ano yung makuwang signal. So let's try another one here. This is one sports. Ayun, so again malinaw talaga siya, no.